Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix in case you have the EyeSight off warning message in the dash of your Subaru or the pre-collision braking system icons warning in the dash. So there's many different reasons why these appears, and I'll show you a few different tricks on how to get rid of this problem. Trick number one. So for the first thing, you need to clean the windshield where the EyeSight sensors and cameras are located. Usually is on the top of the windshield, right behind the rear view mirror. So take some glass cleaner and a microfiber and remove any dirt, any smudges, any bugs, stickers, anything that may be there around those cameras. Gently wipe. Sometimes there's also some sensor on the front of your Subaru grille. Some models have these. Sometimes it's located behind the Subaru logo. Sometimes it's under. Again, if there's any dirt on these sensor, you'll get this error message in your dash. After cleaning, simply start your car and yeah, you should be driving normally and the error message should clear by itself. Trick number two is to make sure that there's no condensation or fog where the EyeSight cameras are located. Sometimes, especially if you're living in a cold or humid climate, those cameras may have some fog going on. What I suggest is to simply blast the windshield defroster during around 5 to 10 minutes to clear this out. If after 10 minutes you still see some condensation only around the EyeSight's camera, it may mean that the seal around the cameras is broken and only a dealership can fix this problem. Now for trick number three, you don't have really anything to do, but sometimes if there is some glare, some sun going directly in those cameras, it can blind them and then you're going to see the error message appearing in your dash. You just have to wait so the sun goes down completely or you change the direction and yeah, this will clear by itself. Another thing that you can do, trick number four, is to make sure that the 12-volt battery of your Subaru is charged and doesn't need to be replaced. If it's almost dead or, going out slowly, there's a good chance that you'll get this error message and many other error warnings in your dash that doesn't have anything to do with the actual situation. It's simply the 12-volt battery dying. So if you have an old one, simply replace it. There's a good chance that it will fix the issues. You can also go to any AutoZones or many car parts shops and they can test your battery for free if you are not sure if the battery is still good. Now, for trick number five is to do a complete restart of your Subaru. Now, what I mean by this is that you need to turn off the engine, open the hood and disconnect the negative terminal of the 12-volt battery. Usually with a 10mm ratchet, you should be able to remove it. Wait 10 minutes and then connect it back. Start the car normally and the message should go away. This trick can fix many different glitches. Now, if you tried everything and you're still having the error message appearing, it's very frustrating. Well, I suggest that you go to your Subaru dealership because they can run a full diagnosis scan. They have the tools and they will know exactly where this is coming from. Sometimes it's a misaligned sensor. Sometimes the seal around those cameras is going bad. There's many different problems that can appear and they will be able to know this quickly and fix it for you. So yeah, better go there. Again, you can drive the car if you have this warning message. You don't have to worry, but you need to fix it quickly. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment down below if one of these tricks worked or if you have any other tricks, please leave it. I'm sure another Subaru owner will be very grateful to read it. Subscribe, like, and drive safe. See you in the next video.